Hey, it's Gary from Ahoi Real Estate, and today I want to share with you how our team is using Kaydoh as a key part of our marketing playbook, especially here in the competitive Southern California market where standing out matters. We use Kaydoh in a few powerful ways. Before and after listing appointments to deliver polished, branded content, for open house sign-ins that actually convert, that are clean, mobile friendly, and automated, and most importantly, post open house follow-up campaigns that help us stay top of mind with video and value-driven messaging. We also use Kaydoh for hyper-local email campaigns. One of our favorite strategies is templating newsletters for specific subdivisions. Even if we're sending to a larger farm of 4,000 homes, the design feels like it was made just for a small enclave of 50 homes like Silver Strand or Ventura in our market. That personal touch makes a huge difference. Kaydoh has made it easier for us to stay professional and consistent. We combined it with MailChimp to send community-first newsletters that naturally lead into real estate content, and Give That combo has been a game changer. Since using Kaydoh, we've already generated over $100,000 in GCI. That's not the fluff. Those are closings directly tied to Kaydoh-powered content and automations. So if you're trying to stand out in a crowded market like today is, Kaydoh is the tool to use. It's fast, it's customizable, and it helps us look like $1 million. Whether we're making a listing, nurturing a farm, or just staying visible with our sphere, it's become a cornerstone of how we do business here at Ahoi.